Hello, and welcome to another update on Ethereum. So Ethereum is actually holding up quite well, considering that Bitcoin is again diving in dive mode. Ethereum has dropped a little bit, and at any point, hold on, this should be here, and this should be here. At some point, Ethereum might actually form a low here. This does look like another 5-wave decline. So, I mean, maybe we don't go all the way down there. What we have on this chart is obviously a break below the $3,055 level, which was the support level. Not unexpected because one more low was still missing. So I said, well, look, we should get one more low. We're currently doing it. But this 100% extension target is just based. I don't want to get too technical now, but this is basically here. Let's say the ideal projection for this C wave to the downside I'm tracking towards 6,820, which is also where the 50% retracement is located. So I mean, there is currently no sign of a low, but it's quite far away. So what I need to see for a first indication, a low of sorts is in place and we get into a larger recovery, would be a break above the Monday high. That's at 3,234. What I'm thinking might happen, and this is just something to be aware of, as long as we stay below that high, there is a chance for an extension to the downside, as shown here in yellow. I'm just going with a trend here. The local trend is still down. There's no need to guess where a low forms because as long as we don't break above any resistance, the pressure is downward. So I'm going to remove this resistance. Don't need it anymore. And I will add resistance for yellow wave 2. So it basically takes a break above this resistance area, a decisive break to suggest that something more bullish is playing out. An extension like that would not be very common, but can happen. So be aware of it. 3,052 to 3,161 is the first pivot. Any break above it would open the door to a larger recovery, possibly a test of these previous swing highs in the $3,600 area. But let's see how we perform down here. Yeah, I mean, it's holding up quite well, I would have to say, compared to Bitcoin right now, while I record this video, but that doesn't mean it's directly bullish because we're still below resistances. We're still forming lower lows and lower highs. So yeah, I'll keep you updated. Just want to give you the updated levels. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then also follow us on X for additional charts, updates, news, and much more. I'll leave a link in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.